Hi, I'm Bob Tadovich, President of Network Solutions. Thanks for joining us today. Like all of you, we're looking for ways to allow our users to work from home and slow the spread of coronavirus. So a couple of things that are really important with this. Number one, Cisco has allowed us to provide at no cost minimum 90 days free of their enterprise Webex product, which has all the bells and whistles. And depending on the length of the coronavirus, they may extend the free offer. Secondly, Network Solutions is providing free onboarding, and we have a basic onboarding program for all of our users that not only includes train the trainer for your trainers to train your end users, but also just the provisioning up front, and then also even videos and documentation for end user training. The end user training is actually one of the biggest concerns feedback that we've had from our clients is just that people aren't used to being either on camera, or they're not used to the audio or the video or even the lighting. So a lot of these tools are really helpful for people to be working from home. And then the secondary concern that a lot of our customers have is, how am I opening up my organization to security breach? We know we live in the age of cyber security breaches, and now that I'm opening up all these additional potential vulnerabilities to my organization, how is that going to impact my security posture? In this case, you may know already, but Cisco has the broadest portfolio of cyber security tools of any organization in the world. So not only is Cisco Webex ranked by Gartner Group, the #1 web conferencing platform in the world, also Cisco's cybersecurity platform is the broadest of any company in the world. So I feel like you're in a really good place between free Webex Enterprise, free basic onboarding from Network Solutions, and then having the platform that you're using be the #1 platform and the most secure platform in the world. So really look forward to working with you, really look forward to being able to reduce the spread of coronavirus, and together we will beat this thing. Thanks for your time today.